Hello, this is Ariana Antonio for MDF2 1404, and this is my Project 1 video. This week we went ahead and created an app that accessed the Twitter API as well as the social and accounts frameworks built into iOS. It was pretty simple, and yet I think very powerful what you can do with it. And so in terms of my code, we have the master view controller that does the bulk of the work. Over here we have the code that goes ahead and makes the call to the Twitter API and pulls the data for the currently logged in user. And then if we go down, we have the call to go ahead and pop up the built-in SL Compose view controller that allows you to post a tweet to the account. And then right next to it there's on refresh, so that if you want to refresh your feed, it does that and then pops up an alert, and then the alert closes once it's done refreshing. We have our table views set up, and down here we are accessing or saving the data from Twitter to a dictionary so that we can access it. And we are pulling the information out by the tags that we need to use to populate our Twitter app. And then in the segue, we are passing that information to our two views, our two additional views. One is a detail view that just has information about the tweet that was clicked on, very simple. And then the other one is a view that shows the information, the profile information for the user that's logged in. So the detail view, again, very simple. It just has the name of the user, the date of the post, and the tweet. And then the profile view, also very simple, has the username, their name, the icon for their account, as well as their number of followers following profile description. And then we just have a custom Twitter cell just to go ahead and set up a cell that has the information in it, which is the date, the tweet, and the user image. So I will go ahead and run this, and it will load up. Notice there's no title there right now because that loads up with the username, and so it comes in with the rest of the data that comes in. So now you can see that popped up. So here you can see my last 20 tweets, mostly pretty silly stuff. And if you click on this one, it takes you to the detail page that has my name, the actual tweet, as well as the date. And then you can go to click on my profile, and it's got my username, my real name, my number of people I'm following, number of followers I have, and my account description. And then you can go ahead and post a tweet. And I will go ahead and get rid of the default text and just say doing homework. Go ahead and post that, and then I can refresh the feed and the alert pops up very quickly because it doesn't take very long to refresh, and there is the tweet that I just sent out. So that's it. That's pretty simple. And then in terms of what I could have done better, I would really have liked to have formatted this. I just kind of ran out of time. I know I haven't worked with a date formatter much, just basically what we learned, and I think AOC 1 maybe. And it was just going to take me a little bit too long to look up. So it looks ugly. It meets the requirements, I think, but, it's obviously not as ideal and pretty and formatted in a readable way. So in the future, that would be something I would like to correct. Other than that, it's all pretty simple what was required. And I think it was a lot of fun, and I'm really glad that we learned how to work with Twitter and the APIs and all that sort of stuff this week. So that's it. Thanks so much. Bye.